Hello dear Pisces, how are you guys doing? This is Anjali Tarot and this is the reading for remaining month of December 2020. So let's start. Okay. So Pisces, you are waiting very eagerly for something to happen, and this wait is something legal I can see, or work related or justice related, because the justice card is also here. So what I can see is, Pisces, that you are waiting for some kind of court case hearing, or some kind of justice to be served to you, or some kind of legal battle is happening and you are waiting for the results. If this is not the case, Pisces, there is some project or there is something that you had worked on, and or maybe you had applied for, then you're waiting for the results for that particular thing. But I don't feel like this is kind of romantic waiting, or you're waiting for someone or some person. No, this is related to some kind of justice, and this is related to some kind of project. So for the first few days, remaining few days of December, what I can say is you are waiting for something to happen. You are waiting for the results to come for some legal battle or some justice related thing, or otherwise it is happening that you are given the justice which was pending from so long. Are you getting my point? What I want to say is the universe is serving you the justice finally that you deserve. Or maybe you have done something wrong to somebody and you are now like seeing the results and seeing the negative impacts of that thing on you. It is not a negative thing, Pisces. Don't worry about this thing. This is like justice card shows that the universe is serving the justice to you finally. Whatever you did with somebody or whatever somebody did to you, they are going to suffer for that. They are going to pay for that now. Okay. Then later in the second part, in the remaining second part of December, it is like 9 of Pentacles. Money, abundance coming in, money coming in. Maybe there was a project that you worked on, and now you are getting the rewards for that. Now you are getting the money for that. Or maybe you did something in the past, but now you are getting paid for that now. Okay. And there's a tower moment as well. Tower moment. So the tower is basically not a negative thing. It is kind of, you will be shocked after hearing some news. It can be a good news, it can be a bad news, but it can't be the worst news. You can't feel like this is the worst that happened to me. No, it is not kind of that news. What I can feel from the card is there's something that is shocking to you. That is very shocking to you. And what you are doing after this shocking news is you are going in the contemplation phase, we can say, or you are going in the meditation phase. You are not ready. You were not ready for the shocking news. You were not ready for this truth to come out this way. So what you are doing is you are going in a meditation phase. You are taking a step back from this, or maybe you are closing yourself in your room or doing some kind of meditation or healing work to come out of this particular situation. So basically you are earning well, you are getting prosperity, you are getting happiness. But there is some kind of shocking news. It can be good as well, it can be bad as well, but this is not going to make your life hell. Don't worry about that. Okay, there's some kind of news that is coming to you. The tower moment is like there's some kind of shocking news coming to you that will shake you up, like, oh God, I never what should I say to you? I am not getting the right word for this thing, but the thing is that you will be shocked and you will realize that I was not expecting this thing to happen this way. Okay, maybe you were expecting certain thing and that particular thing to happen in a particular way, but that happened in a different way, or something that happened that you never expected. Okay, it is not kind of energy that makes you like negative. What I can feel when I'm telling you this, I'm feeling from inside that this is not a bad news for you. This is going to help you grow. Okay, there is something that is very weak that will fall down, and there is something that will rebuild. Okay, so you have to understand, these are big words. I know these are very big words, but you have to understand that whatever is happening, this transformation, this shock is making you strong and making you happy in the long run. Okay, so in the last part of December, what I can see is Page of Cups. This is a very beautiful energy, Pisces. Page of Cups. So Page of Cups basically says that you are getting romantic feelings for somebody. You know that this somebody is might be not like new to you. Okay, you know this person, from the past, or you know this person from a long time, but now you are developing feelings of love, feeling of togetherness with that particular person. It can be like a romantic, it can be romantic as well. Mostly it is romantic, but it can be professional relationship as well with somebody new. Okay, so and the Magician card is also there. Wish fulfillment. Magician, there is some kind of wish that will be fulfilled in the last part of December, and you are going to love it. So Pisces, might be you were manifesting something from a very long time, but that thing never happened. But this time, this particular thing is happening with you. You were manifesting this from like a very long time from in your life, and this is finally happening. Okay, so the Magician card in the last week of December, in the last days of December, is telling me clearly that there is some kind of wish fulfillment coming in your way. So be prepared for that. There is love coming in your way. I'm sorry for this. It can be like somebody is developing feelings for you as well, or it can be vice versa as well. You are developing feelings for somebody, and this is going to make you happy. After so long, you are feeling like this. This is kind of true feelings of love, that childish feelings of love, that school romance we used to have. Okay, so we used to have like, okay, this kind of energy is there, and there's wish fulfillment as well. Before you are going in 2021, there's kind of wish fulfillment. There's some kind of wish fulfillment that you were manifesting from a long time, and there's Ace of Wands, new project coming in. There's new beginning. Maybe you are doing addition to your business, maybe you are doing some new project with somebody, or maybe you are doing some kind of what I can feel is Ace of Wands is particularly related to give me a second. Okay, so Ace of Wands is particularly related to passion, drive, energy, craziness. What I can feel is you can go to the gym as well, you can start a new workout as well, because this is making me a clear-cut example of going to the gym and doing all the workouts and all the hard dumbbells thing and all. I don't know what guys do in the gym, so whatever it is, I can feel that there is a strong urge of making your body good, or looking good, or being handsome, or being beautiful. Whatever this is, you are starting something very, very new in your life by the end of December, and you are going to love it in the long run. If there is an urge to do something new, just start it. Okay, there's something that you are going to start, a new beginning, a new life with the new love, we can say, new feelings of love for somebody, and there's wish fulfillment as well, and then you're starting something new. So this is the overall theme for you guys in the month of December, remaining month of December, and this is a very, very beautiful energy. See, you're waiting for something, some legal battle or some justice to be served, then you are getting the money that was stuck before, or there's some new project coming in that is going to make you abundant and prosperous. Then you are manipulating, not manipulating, then you are contemplating everything, taking a pause, and you are then in the meditation phase as well. After receiving this tower moment, after receiving this shocking moment, it can kind of break up as well. It can be coming out of a weak situation or a weak relationship as well. So you don't have to worry about that, Pisces. It is a life transforming thing. Okay, then in the last week I told you new feelings for somebody new and wish fulfillment. You were manifesting this thing from a long time, and finally it is happening. Then there is Ace of Wands, new project, new thing, new workout. There is something new incoming, new is coming in your life in the last days of December 2020. So this is a reading for you, Pisces, for the remaining month of December 2020, I'm sorry, and I hope you like it. And if you like it, do like it and subscribe to my channel. I need it very, very badly. And God bless you. Namaste.